Welcome back to another deal video here at Harbor Freight. I want to go over the deal they're going to be doing on part of the 12 days of Christmas sale. The deal is going to be on the U.S. General 72-inch triple bank roller cabinet. Just come available in 8 different colors to choose from: black, blue, green, orange, yellow, white, and slate gray. It can support up to 6,600 pounds of weight capacity. We'll take a look at inside of some of the drawers here that do practically fully extend out. This is a large box. It has a side locking latch to it, so you have to slide the latch over to unlock it. So 14 drawers, provides 29,700 cubic inches of storage space. They do come with drawer liners within. So it also has in-drawer charging and a power tool drawer. Has a little built-in power strip on the side with 6 different plugs, which these plugs are nice because they're nicely spaced out on the power strip to allow ample room to plug in your chargers. And here's what the power tool drawer looks like. So it has holsters in it as well to be able to hold tools. Pretty nice. So it does not come with this power tool organizer here that is sold separately, which that is currently priced at $30 for that, for the power and air tool drawer organizer. This is what it looks like with tools in there. It is adjustable, designed to fit a wide range of tools, and it's designed to fit both 56 and 72-inch cabinets. So obviously it does not include like the side box and the side cabinet. So this is normally priced at $17.99, and the deal price is going to be $12.99. That's saving $500 on that. It's going to be an excellent deal, excellent time to pick it up. And if you're looking to get the work center hutch to go on top, which is what they have here on display, the hutch with the lid that's on hydraulics, it does have their own pegboard system to the back, so you put different accessories on it. This is currently on a deal price at $5.99 for ITC members. That's going to be saving $100 off of the $700 price. And this ITC price is going to be good until January 1st. And each corner of the hutch itself does have a pass-through in the corner there, so you can put a power strip in there. Then you can mount some lights to the top part to have a well-lit hutch area. So like I said, there's one in each corner there. And the next deal they are doing is going to be 40% off on all U.S. General magnetic storage attachments and drawer organizers. So you can outfit your new U.S. General box or service carts that you recently got or might already have, or you can outfit any toolbox with these accessories because they are magnetic. They go on the side of the toolbox themselves. So this one, as an example, is a magnetic spray can and a screwdriver holder. It's normally priced at $15. So you'd be able to save 40% on that. Another idea is on the magnetic glove tissue dispenser. That's normally $15. They also have a magnetic paper towel holder. It's also priced at $15. And a magnetic cup holder that's normally $13. And they do have a magnetic U.S. General 5-outlet heavy-duty power strip. It does include 2 USB ports, 8-foot cord. These are a little close together, in my opinion, to be able to accommodate most plugs. So it does have one that's spaced apart in case you have a wide plug for something. So this is a magnetic base to it, so you can put it anywhere on your toolbox. And these accessories do come available in the different colors that they offer the U.S. General boxes in. So that power strip is normally priced at $34. So you'd be able to save 40% on that. That'd be an excellent time to pick this up, or any of these accessories. So as I mentioned, there are different colors that they come in. There's another option as well, as a 12-inch magnetic hanging tray with a screwdriver holder that is normally priced at 15 bucks. And if they still happen to have stock at your store of the US General magnetic hook, that would also be included. It's currently on a deal price at $4.99, saving 37% on their Christmas sale. But I believe with the 40%, it should come off of that. It'd be interesting to know if it does. So if you happen to be able to get some with that deal, let me know if it ends up being additional 40% off, and that'd be an awesome pickup for those if you can get your hands on it. Now it is currently 12:30 my time that I'm recording this, and this is the day of the 40% off Icon wrenches. This is what they have left in stock at this store. They do have a pretty good selection still, and you can tell some of the items were picked over with these empty spots. I did see some pictures online already of long lines for the wrenches, so hopefully you're able to get some, the ones that you were looking for. And this is the month I'm doing a $100 gift card giveaway. I'm doing this to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos. You guys got me past the 20,000 subscriber mark last month, which is why I'm doing another $100 gift card giveaway this month. I'll be doing the drawing on January 1st to pick one lucky winner. It'll be to their choice of Harbor Freight, Lowe's, Home Depot. And I'll be posting the winner on the community posts in my channel. Now I do have a new goal to get to 30,000 subscribers. If I can get there by the end of this month, then I will be doing a giveaway of 5 gold Icon ratchets that are the 3/8 one. So help me get to 30,000 subscribers if you're not already subscribed for these deal videos that I do. And I really appreciate the support. Let's move along. And you can even save the 40% on the US General 6-inch magnetic parts holder. They come available in 4 different colors, which is the red, blue, green, black, and silver. Silver one is, they're all priced normally at $5 there. So save 40% on these. All right, that's going to be it for this deal. Day 10 of the 12 days of deals. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick up a US General box or any of the US General magnetic storage attachments. And if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate you give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel. Consider hyping it if you're on a mobile device. It does help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts like you. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.